Abusia isa mama ha ya mama chi ya mama Joe ebio de baje Ghana television eso wo dey say but first time need ya subscribe follow comment na share fama ya say na be ya bring na your latest update no won so wonsa e betimi aka bi bo na abusia na ase entre aniti na bring na ya hia wa ya kan cho say but adwuma bia ye bia fa bra be dan aniti mo hunde ro kase emfa emma say na bia won benya ega kudi la jan dwete cash e di egu botoma bia timi across. I still remain your humble pilot in the cockpit Nana KHC aniti no my first rakase emfa ya boa fa bena bi no mtimi eso na asne boya chidom eye Glit and Glow Cosmetics sanso na Kinaata Herbal Center and General Organ Foods my strength papa ye ni di na afia konkwaji apom di hwehwe mu nyina emfa emfiri Kinaata 34 akachi na bibia ntimi nkoso kama ebusu yen ye busa wo se o my Ghana mu ankasa no chicken man pizza man chese bebre kwa bebi eta didi adokodoko die bebre kwa na yebusa se enti azane kalebule kokroko wagadre 419 koso ewo ho ana se emu etese na yese ebusa se hwan kura na ne ho akwakoka adwemu a wotiremu a wo se 9,500 Ghana citizens chese 95 million akwakokam ewo chicken man akachi na yebusa se asemu yi no krebeyi na ewu mu nipa ne ho aka adwemu no ma ye na ne ehu sima wacha se afie ba ibebo de na so ehu se aso asemi no kre anase enye no kre. Don't forget that Ghana television we always stand for the truth. Stay tuned obra da ne ehu sima ye kwesisi a
me wo London baby am wo ye war thamsto wo we hie nkun yi bi so wo Manchester wo Birmingham wo Northampton wo Southampton Milton Keynes outside London baby a wo contact me mami wusu anase Helena baby a wo bia so far as I wo betua wo postage ye be postu e di abrel se wo ye kokko se wo ye tuntum wo ye hone ho kala bia wo ye wo bi ho ye fita be enkum bia wo pe bia wo benya bi ana obi wo ho a wasra I had enkum no odin no na ma ne kala no ni body na ye basa hydroqueen no asai kala no na se wonya Glit and Glow na wo start beginning no ubehu se repair wo color no ubeye kama ubeye kama say de mi gina hoy small girl hey enku no baby anya fe na wo betete samna asra wo ho obi wa na nso oben ye wo na nso oben cream ye wo can I say stretch marks bibia anomu ye wo whitening wo se wo a wo ye kokko wo ye fita wo pese wo ye fita bibia wo pa wo hwi wo ringe Santiago kra anase na brown wo Ghana enkum bia wo pe bia wo benya bi na me de me kan landing for contact me a bibia wo bia me de bebrel me wo fie me de fie 24 hours enti anytime bia opesa wo frame me numbers me enu nyina so a ba bia wo bia de how bia wo ka kire me a me sort problem na ma Glit and Glow na ye wi ani aba organic product so konkonte enkate rere ende esese kwa de wache powder ye wo prekese powder ye wo ginger powder ye wo honey wo ho bibia konkonte ye echese enwo zomi everything bibia wo de wo hwehwe sa product ya Ghana hwehwe Nana Brown anase Mr Santiago eba landing so a contact mami wusu ya Helena bibia wo bia no ye di bibebro bibia wo ho wache powder kran so e wo ho enti bibia ni ho a wo hwehwe a won sanka enti ni nyina ye Glit and Glow.
Pia, wa hwefo esa mama kwa baby o Ghana TV aso ni audience first time ya ni wo de ahia mu de ne ne stress bomoden se wo be subscribe o YouTube na fi follow your social media handles nya so Twitter, Facebook, Instagram baby na Ghana television na afi abushana ase atre wo wia na afi wa mama che won kan wo comment section no ase ho no e ma refi se media meje so me de mo sonfo nana KHC branch and I remain your humble pilot in the cockpit. This is the flight. Na bushin video bi etwa go be fonten tan kase ne so ababa wa ba ko so no be be sia nantu enimonyam echinyam bia no wodi wo suni areho wo tiema ka tre eye chicken man say chicken man ye no kra waduane ye de wonam so akono wudwumadi ya wudi de so ma wiase ni Ghana de hye nyina no esipi esita nanso chicken man ye bumikom ababa we chema e wo video nim na wo chep say chicken man aye de bukata 419 wagadre azan kokroko amani sika 9,500 eye 95 million old Ghana cedis akwa pie ma che sika wotwe a emma wotwe a empese betwe na chicken man woni didi nkomo bia so na ka me akwase ase wo ye ne tostos wo ye ne enne wochena ana baba we die osunya reho ahometewo se chicken man amfa ne 95000 Ghana cedis na 9500 wamfa ne 9500 cedis no amma ne dia enye na die besie no ebenya asie ofi besie eboboba na busuan ebia se na esi eka na se de ani aso ate ene de ani ehu na no so di ho adanse na abrenya be na ekokofa de eba basu nti se de ani na yemfo ye ni ko twia wisi yenko ene yasoin yenko ne konko tie bi emfa emra ye ba afide wo bia no ye de beto aso ama stay tuned.
Pizza man Chekema, what are you doing to us? I have been scammed. And then I called your number on your page and still you said you know about it. My friend, go inside. And you said you know about it. So what are you doing for us? The fact that when you started, you created like awareness, you got influencers to come and advertise for you, for us to trust you. That is the same way when scammers are taking over your page, we should know about it. Why don't we know about it? Peterman, why don't we know about it? Because I have been scammed 9,500 and today my kids are home. My kids are home. They didn't go to school because of you. What are you? Fine. You ever say, Jimmy, yes, I'm a lame person. I don't know about it. What happens to the fact that it is on your page? And mind you, you don't even have a branch in Osu. So why is it on your website that there is a branch in Osu? Why is it on your website that there is a branch in Osu? I went to the police station to report, and I was not the only victim. Sena you're scamming, but yes, everybody is scared to come out to come and talk about it. What is really going on? What is really going on, Pizza Man? You should talk to us. I heard someone creating awareness say we should wait for the food to get here. That is what I heard when I called your office. Now, but I paid with Momo. I've been paying with Momo all the time. So what happens to that? Because even yesterday that I was scammed, I didn't even have real cash on me. So when they asked me to pay Momo, I felt like, oh, make Rampo ebe boame. And this is what happened. 9,500, and I have all the proof on my phone that I can bring it out. Take down the website, start afresh. That is all we are asking of you. Because it's way too much. Ade. Like, how am I supposed to know that a trusted restaurant in Accra, no, in Ghana to be precise, they are scammers on it? Or you can say, I empty and cry, they are scammers on it. Fine, empty and then you create awareness. What about Pizza Man? It's on your website. You don't even have a branch in Osu. So why is the Osu branch on your website? Why is there a number to call? Because until now, when I call the number, they answer. Pizza Man Chicken Man Osu branch, they answer. All I'm trying to tell you guys is, don't buy Pizza Man Chicken Man online. If you have the money to pay the dispatch guy, then fine. Because with mine, I didn't even have cash to pay. I didn't have cash. So when they told me to pay before they deliver, I was okay with it because I had only Momo. I paid and they took 9,500 from my account. All I am saying again is that don't buy food online from Pizza Man because they will scam you. I've been a victim. Don't be a victim, because yesterday when I went to the police station, most people have been victims, but they are shy to come out to come and talk about it. But me, Mekan wasn't, because I am about school fees. Shame on you. Take down your page, Pizza Man. Take down your website. Start again. Start the website again. Per obi no nye be found, because this is getting way out of hand. It's way too much, Pizza Man. Do something. Now bring it on me. Hello, please, is this Pizza Man?
Yes, please.
Is this Ashoman branch?
Yes.
Please, do you know that there are scammers on your website?
Yes, very true.
You know.
Hey, I just say we are seeing. Nti ebusa o say pizza nko na say 9,500 de nye na chese mu orem ana chicken nko na 9,500 de na chese mu orem but say there was something they do na chese we say it is under the carpet eguso really sir. Never body don't forget that Ghana TV we always stand for the truth. Egusi dia asem yachi. Say ya no kra na say ya no kra no. Ya de beba ababesum now. Currently, this is what Ababeland e wo your table no so nti abre na be nyina no wo de say subscribers na bia asemi no emu nchemu ene de keka ho nyina betimi e de ababeso mo media me so me de mo sonfo nana KHC abrantie asira kase en confirm me producer on duty e de mo focus at fucking bag me so metina wi nhye mo be say I remain your humble pilot nana KHC abrantie me fa asira kase e ma yaboafo abre na bi no metimi babbo ya chidom e Glitter and Glow Cosmetics dan so e na General Organic Foods and it Kinaata Herbal Center and it no bomaden so ba kwa kopio makachi numbers ni e di ehim okasamfoni na se no frɛ na afia no mo eni enkita ho na bibia entimi enkoso kama. To you my dear valued viewer, have a wonderful good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Ebre se no mesa no de shemu makrao.
Oh, doc. Yes, and you walk, doc. I want to know why you did. No, that's why she after said, you need to no say the young cook. So, your stomach was up, said the young had been so as I become. Let them cry. The meaning said, if you be forcing, I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria when the moji.
Yeah, TD.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Kinaata tomac and a Kinaata malake. Fama no nano ho betono.
Malake, anything at a tomac. I'm on my free.
Kinaata malake, eyema ubi awenya malaria fever. Ena Kinaata tomac mixture, eyema ubi awenya heartburn, indigestion, ena ni yem eyeneya. Kinaata drui, FDA ahwehwe magia tum se eye.